Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. I study for you. Today we will discuss one more important topic in inclusive education. The topic is challenges and prospects in providing education in an inclusive classroom. This topic may come for 15-mark question. They may ask the question like this: what are the challenges and prospects in providing education in an inclusive classroom? Let's go through the answer. Providing education in an inclusive classroom involves integrating students with disabilities into general education settings, ensuring they receive the appropriate support and interventions. This approach aims to offer equitable educational opportunities for all students. However, implementing the inclusive education presents several challenges and prospects. Challenges in providing education in an inclusive classroom. Number 1. Accuracy of assessment. Ensuring accurate assessment is challenging, especially as children's needs change over time. Regular updates and re-evaluations are necessary to maintain accuracy and ensure that the support provided is relevant to the student's current need. Misinterpretation of assessments can lead to the inappropriate educational placements and interventions. Second one, cultural and language barriers. Assessments and instructional methods must be culturally appropriate and conducted in child's primary language to ensure fairness and accuracy. This can be challenging in diverse classrooms with students from various cultural backgrounds. Teachers must be sensitive to cultural differences and avoid biases in their assessments and interactions. Third one, professional training. Teachers and support staff must be adequately trained to administer assessments, interpret results, and implement inclusive teaching strategies effectively. Continuous professional development is essential to equip educators with the skills needed to support diverse learners. Lack of proper training can hinder the effectiveness of inclusive education. Fourth point, comprehensive evaluation. Relying on single tests for placement decisions is inadequate. A comprehensive evaluation should include multiple assessments of cognitive, behavior, and physical aspects. This comprehensive approach ensures that all aspects of child's development are considered. For instance, adaptive behavior and physical conditions must be evaluated alongside academic abilities. Fifth point, ethical concerns. Ethical issues include the potential for mislabeling and the long-term impact of labels on child's educational and personal life. It is crucial to ensure that assessments are fair and unbiased, and that the support provided is genuinely beneficial to the student. Ethical considerations also involve respecting the child's dignity and privacy throughout the assessment process. Sixth point, adaptive behavior and environmental factors. Assessments must take into account adaptive behavior, physical conditions, and cultural backgrounds. These factors significantly influence a child's performance and development. Understanding the environmental context is essential for providing appropriate support and interventions. Seventh point, cost effectiveness and feasibility. The assessment process must be cost effective and feasible in terms of time and resources. For screening purposes, group administered norm reference tests like the Stanford Achievement Test can be used. However, ensuring thorough and individualized assessments may require significant investments in specialized tools and trained personnel. These are all challenges. When it comes to prospects, first point, skill development models. Focusing on skill development rather than ability training can provide better educational outcomes for children with disabilities. This approach emphasizes practical skills that students can use in their daily lives and future careers. Skill development models are more adaptable to individual needs and progress. Second one, regular and adaptive assessments. Implementing regular adaptive assessments that evolve with the child's development can lead to more accurate and effective educational plans. This ensures that the support provided is always relevant and meets the students' current needs. Continuous monitoring helps in promptly addressing emerging challenges. Third one, validated and reliable tools. Using professionally validated tools tailored for specific purposes ensure more reliable assessment results. These tools can help educators accurately identify the strengths and needs of each student, leading to more effective support. For example, the Alliance test of psycholinguistic abilities is effective for language training programs. Fourth point, effective interventions and placements. Effective interventions and appropriate placements based on thorough assessments can significantly improve educational outcomes for children with disabilities. Tailored support plans can help students achieve their full potential. Interventions should be evidence based and regularly evaluated for their effectiveness. Fifth point, language training program. Programs focusing on language training, such as those using the Alliance test of psycholinguistic abilities, have shown promising results in supporting the children with special educational needs. These programs can enhance communication skills and overall academic performance. Language proficiency is crucial for academic success and social integration. Sixth point, holistic and multi-phased assessments. Assessments should include various dimensions beyond academic skills such as adaptive behavior, physical health, and social emotional development. Multifaceted assessment provide a comprehensive understanding of the child's needs and inform more effective educational strategies. Seventh one, technological integration. Leveraging technology in assessments and interventions can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the process. Digital tools and software can facilitate adaptive testing, data analysis, and personalized learning plans. Technology can also support remote assessments and interventions, increasing accessibility. Conclusion. Providing education in an inclusive classroom is a complex but essential process to ensure that all students, including those with disabilities, receive the appropriate educational support and interventions. Addressing the challenges and leveraging the prospects for improvement can lead to better educational outcomes and a more inclusive learning environment for all children. Regular adaptive assessments, ethical considerations, and use of validated tools are key to effective identification and support in inclusive education. By focusing on all skill development, continuous professional training, and culturally appropriate methods, educators can create an inclusive classroom that meets the diverse needs of all students. Effective collaboration among educators, families, and specialists is also crucial for the success of inclusive education.